In today's video, we're going to talk about green tea and diabetes. Diabetes is counted as one of those chronic health conditions in which levels of glucose or sugar in the blood are too high. In diabetics, the pancreas does not produce insulin, which is responsible for regulating blood glucose levels. Nearly 10% of people in the United States have diabetes, according to the American Diabetes Foundation. When you have diabetes, life becomes all about regulating your blood sugar to stay healthy. And while many must turn to medication and insulin injections, there is evidence to suggest that drinking green tea could make diabetes management easier. Several studies have pointed to green tea as a potentially effective method of controlling diabetes, and even improving insulin sensitivity. Just how it works isn't completely clear, but it's believed catechins within the tea, also responsible for its anti-cancer and heart health benefits, may be responsible. How does diabetes work? When you eat foods with carbohydrates, they are digested into sugar. In response, the pancreas releases insulin to help cells absorb glucose to be used as fuel. People with type 2 diabetes have cells that are desensitized to insulin, which is known as insulin resistance. This, and the fact that the pancreas often stops releasing enough insulin, makes their blood sugar levels difficult to control. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease. The cells of the pancreas that produce insulin are attacked and killed by the body's immune system, and simply do not produce insulin at all. Most studies on the effects of green tea in people with diabetes have focused on type 2 diabetes, as it is more common, accounting for 90 to 95% of diabetes seen in the United States. Benefits of green tea. Green tea is touted to be one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. It's loaded with antioxidants that have many health benefits, which may include improved brain function, fat loss, protecting against cancer, and lowering the risk of heart disease. There may be even more potential health benefits. Contains healthy bioactive compounds. Green tea is more than just a hydrating beverage. The green tea plant contains a range of healthy compounds that make it into the final drink. Tea is rich in polyphenols, which are natural compounds that have health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and helping to fight cancer. Green tea contains a catechin called epigallocatechin 3 gallate. Catechins are natural antioxidants that help prevent cell damage and provide other benefits. These substances can reduce the formation of free radicals in the body, protecting cells and molecules from damage. These free radicals play a role in aging and many types of diseases. EGCG is one of the most powerful compounds in green tea. Research has tested its ability to help treat various diseases. It appears to be one of the main compounds that give green tea its medicinal properties. Green tea also has small amounts of minerals that can benefit your health. Try to choose a higher quality brand of green tea, because some of the lower quality brands can contain excessive amounts of fluoride. That being said, even if you choose a lower quality brand, the benefits still outweigh any risk. May help you lose weight. Given that green tea can boost the metabolic rate in the short term, it makes sense that it could help you lose weight. Several studies show that green tea may help reduce body fat, especially in the abdominal area. One of these studies was a 12-week randomized controlled study involving 240 people with obesity. In this study, those in the green tea group had significant decreases in body fat percentage, body weight, waist circumference, and belly fat, compared with those in the control group. However, some studies don't show a statistically significant increase in weight loss with green tea, so researchers need to perform further studies to confirm this effect. May improve brain function. Green tea does more than just keep you alert, it may also help boost brain function. The key active ingredient is caffeine, which is a known stimulant. It doesn't contain as much as coffee, but enough to produce a response without causing the jittery effects associated with taking in too much caffeine. Caffeine affects the brain by blocking an inhibitory neurotransmitter called adenosine. This way, it increases the firing of neurons and the concentration of neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. Research has consistently shown that caffeine can improve various aspects of brain function, including mood, vigilance, reaction time, and memory. However, caffeine isn't the only brain-boosting compound in green tea. It also contains the amino acid L-theanine, which can cross the blood-brain barrier. L-theanine increases the activity of the inhibitory neurotransmitter GABA, which has anti-anxiety effects. It also increases dopamine and the production of alpha waves in the brain. Studies show that caffeine and L-theanine can have synergistic effects. This means that the combination of the two can have particularly powerful effects in improving brain function. Because of the L-theanine and the small dose of caffeine, green tea may give you a much milder and different kind of buzz than coffee. Many people report having more stable energy and being much more productive when they drink green tea, compared with coffee. May protect the brain from aging. Not only can green tea improve brain function in the short term, but it may also protect your brain as you age. Alzheimer's disease is a common neurodegenerative disease and the most common cause of dementia in older adults. Parkinson's disease is another common neurodegenerative disease and involves the death of dopamine-producing neurons in the brain. Several studies show that the catechin compounds in green tea can have various protective effects on neurons in test tubes and animal models, possibly lowering the risk of dementia. May help prevent cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular diseases, including heart disease and stroke, are the leading causes of death worldwide. Studies show that green tea may improve some of the main risk factors for these diseases, which include improving total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels. Green tea also increases the antioxidant capacity of the blood, which protects the LDL particles from oxidation, which is one part of the pathway toward heart disease. Given the beneficial effects on risk factors, it may not be surprising that people who drink green tea have up to a 31% lower risk of dying from cardiovascular disease. Green tea and diabetes prevention. There are indications that green tea can reduce the risk of developing diabetes. According to one study in Japan, people who drank 6 or more cups of green tea daily were 33% less likely to develop type 2 diabetes than people who drank just 1 cup per week. Another study found that people who drank green tea consistently for a period of 10 years had smaller waist circumferences and lower body fat levels, showing that the tea may play a role in reducing obesity risk. But tea's benefits don't stop at prevention. For people already diagnosed with diabetes, green tea may be able to help manage blood sugar levels. According to a comprehensive review, green tea consumption is associated with decreased fasting glucose levels and A1C levels, as well as reduced fasting insulin levels, which are a measurement of diabetes health. While not all studies have shown these positive results, green tea has still been shown to be beneficial in other ways. The Pacific College of Oriental Medicine suggests that the antioxidant activity of polyphenols and polysaccharides is to credit for these benefits. These same antioxidants are credited with anti-cancer, cholesterol lowering, and blood pressure management benefits. Green tea has a range of possible health benefits. To help you feel better, lose weight, and lower your risk of chronic diseases, you may want to consider making green tea a regular part of your life. Excessive anything is bad, and so, moderation is the key. Excessive caffeine in green tea can negatively impact your blood pressure and blood sugar. It is best to always consult a doctor who will be able to tell the amount of green tea you must drink and how it may help your body. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.